win! My man!
Oh, thanks, Chris. And thanks, Chef, for doing what the prunes couldn't.
Next is DJ. Surprisingly, Heather. And last but not least, LaShawna.
Oops, my bad. But I thought everyone liked us.
Like being the operative word. I know exactly who's gonna get it this week.
2 words, Bridget and Jeff.
At least they'll have each other.
Any final words?
Yeah.